guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel. Today I am here with a very special unboxing. I decided I can't really wait to do like an official show my face recording, so I'm like, cool. I got a box from my new friend over at Honeybee Shop, and I can't tell y'all how excited I am because the theme for her box this month speaks to my soul on a spiritual level. So I don't know what the audio is gonna sound like. I don't know any of that, but we're gonna open this box. I'm dying to see what's inside of it. But yeah, I'll leave all of her information down below if you guys want to go check out her shop. She is an ally. She is definitely somebody who supports us. So I'm just, showing support back. But first of all, I'm enjoying this packaging. It's like a present on top of a present on top of a present. So yeah, I'm digging this. I'm digging the packaging. I have no idea what's in this box, and I'm just... All right, are we ready? Because I'm super excited. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way. I feel multiple things, so let's pull out the big thing, I guess. Oh, okay. Okay, so if you guys don't know, Honeybee Shop does this babe box, and basically it's a theme. And this month's theme was the Disney villains, which again, do y'all see all of this purple? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna put that off to the side so I can put it back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at, okay, hold on. Sorry, I'm getting excited. This makes me feel like I need to bust out the planner and start doing some cute stuff. Yo, look at this paper. It's two of them. Oh my gosh, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see the glory that is this foil. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Okay, well, we have two of, I guess this is more acetate paper. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for yet, but oh man. Then we have this deep purple. It's got the same Minnie Mouse hat on them, and then the back of the paper. Ooh, it's two. I like the two-sided paper, and I like that I got two of them, so I could do multiple things. Obviously, your girl is gonna be making folders. Oh, look at the baddies. Look at the baddie collection. Hades, Ursula, Queen of Hearts, Evil Queen, Maleficent. Who is she? Oh my God, that's Yzma. Love Yzma. Okay. All right, sis. Oh, and look at the back. This is really hitting my dark. Like, this is Disney and it's purple. Like, I could not have asked for a better box. And we're only on paper. I'm inspired. Like, I'm inspired to actually, like, come up with ways to use this paper. Let me make sure I'm in focus still. So the next thing are die cuts. I definitely like die cuts, especially for my weekly planners. Sometimes when I'm like, I don't really know what to do. I'm also going to save the back of this because A1 packaging there. So let's just do them all. So we have the Magic Castle in the color that I would love for it to be. The whole squad. And then we have tons of really cute yet dark Minnie hats and Minnie and Mickey globes. Like, this is gorgeous. Okay. Then what I think it is two different size die cuts. So it's this size and this size, which, thank you. Obviously, these are going on a future planner, and these will go in the planner. So this is so cute. Like, I like a good idea. I like that they're thick. Like, I like that they're, like, I don't know if this makes sense to anybody else, but usually when you're trying to draw, like, certain features are just annoying to draw. So instead of trying to deal with that, you'd cut them off. Plus, I love that they all have tattoos that are reminiscent of, like, what they're evil are for. Like, come on. That poison apple is gorgeous. So those are the die cuts. These look like journaling cards. Thank you for subscribing to the Babe Box. So we have 2 journaling cards, 6 pattern papers, 2 foiled acetate sheets, a 10-page sticker book, foiled adhesive pockets, foiled, you know what? I shouldn't be reading this until after. We'll put that there. So what's this? This is... Oh, this is the sticker book. Well, this is neat. How the heck did you do this? Oh, this is cool. I would love, like, a dream of mine is to make a sticker book with Simone and Tori. Like, this is the level of dreams I aspire to. Ooh, these are headers. And then glitter foil. Numbers. Oh, I can see the planner spreads coming. This little card is cute. Yeah, okay. I'm loving this. Oh, so I'm gonna have, y'all are gonna randomly see my planner just decked out in this stuff at one point. Just know it's definitely Honeybee Shop's fault. You did such a good job. Like, check that. One day I'm going to get to this level where Simone and Tori are going to be in a sticker book. Because this is goals, guys. Like, if you want to know where my business goals are headed, I want to make a sticker book so bad. Which also brings me to the next thing. So what is this? What are you? Is this a sticker book? Y'all, it's a sticker book. It's a sticker book. I think, yeah, this has got to be a sticker book. How cute is that? I also love that it's wider so I can fit more things in it. I'm definitely about to put everything from the box in here. Like, we're going to see what I can fit in here after I'm done seeing what all is here. But okay, a sticker book. See, I saw this on her Instagram, so I know what this is. And this is like a cute little mouse pad. And again, it's purple. Like, again, how did you get this made? Goals. I want to make an Afro version of this. Goals. I'm going to figure this out. One day, like, this is coming, guys. Like, this is freaking cute. Okay. I'm getting a new iMac, so clearly we're going to be using that. Oh, wait. What's this? I don't think this is a, hold on. This is a, oh, well, it says it's a mouse pad coaster. Coaster. Yeah. I guess I can use it as coaster. Yeah, we'll use it as coaster. Pockets. I love pockets. Look at these little, look at these. My excitement for pockets should not be this level, but look at that. Come on. This is great. This is the perfect Disney box for me because normally Disney boxes are all pink and all that stuff, but I have a Disney box that's purple now. I can't. Holy crap. This is so freaking cute. A mermaid sticker book. I want to be where the people aren't. Letters to my exes. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of floored right now. Oh, another one. I guess this is the summer one. Well, I mean, I didn't have a whole lot of new planner stuff, but holy crap. How did you make sticker books? Holy mess. I'm not going to need any more planner stuff for a minute. Is this the Disney Princesses one? How? Oh my gosh. This is the Disney Princess one. Okay. You know what? Wow. So what I'm going to do is just put these to the side because I don't think these were in the box. So we're going to put this back. So, okay guys. So in the babe box we had 2 journaling cards, 6 pattern papers, 2 foiled acetate sheets, a 10-page sticker book, foiled adhesive pockets, foiled vinyl die cut packs, clear foiled washi tape. Oh, we didn't do the washi tape. Mouse pad and jelly coaster. We didn't even do the washi tape, guys. Hold on. This is gonna go in my personal washi stash. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm never good at starting. The clear washi always takes a minute for me to start it. Dear Slow Brittany, how many nails does it take to start the washi tape? Hold on, guys. There we go. I just lost it. Okay, there we go. It's little minis. Look at that. Okay. I'm digging. So obviously, if you're asking me like what I felt about this box, everything is purple. So it's kind of one of those things where it's like, I wasn't ready for it to be completely purpled out. I am ecstatic. I cannot tell y'all, like, I haven't done a planner, like another shop planner haul in such a long time, and I am so glad that I got my hands on this box. Like, holy mess. Like, thank you so much, Shannon. Thank you for making this box. You've definitely shown me some inspiration. Like, I am dying to make sticker books like this, guys. I can't get over how good this sticker book looks. Like, I need to aspire to be on her level one day. Obviously I have to start doing some research on manufacturers because I would love to make Simone and Tori into a sticker book. And the fact that, not only that, but like just the completeness of the sticker book is just, it's really cute and together. And then, I don't know, I've done other planner boxes. You guys know I have. And I love a good theme, but y'all know I love me a good purple theme. A good purple theme? Yes, please. So I'm going to stick that, and then come here, die cuts. I have to put them all back away because I need to like set it aside and go back to business Brittany. But I just wanted to come and like show you guys all this ish right here, man. And that's all in one babe box. Because I know that this babe box is sold out, but you can go on her site. And I think, I don't know when she announces the next one. I follow her on Instagram. So I'll leave her Instagram information down below. But I kept seeing this pop up. And I was like, yeah, I kind of need it. So I love it. I love the purple of this box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Did you guys like this unboxing? Do you want to see more planner unboxings? Let me know down below. And until the next time, guys, bye.